Picture this, the New York Stock Exchange. It's loud, chaotic, and full of people in suits yelling numbers. It's basically a casino, but instead of poker chips, they're trading stocks. Now imagine this frenzy, but everyone's suddenly wearing crop tops and cargo pants. That's what it felt like when Shein, the online fast fashion giant, made its grand entrance into the stock market. Shein, the brand your teenage niece is obsessed with, is now worth billions. The company that once sold $10 dresses is now swimming in a pool of cash, making Wall Street veterans do a double take. It's like finding out your neighbor's kid who sells slime on Etsy just bought a yacht. This isn't just another tech IPO. This is different. Shein is changing the game, and everyone from investors to your local mall is feeling the heat. Buckle up, folks, because the fashion world just got a whole lot more interesting. Let's be real, the fashion industry is about as predictable as a toddler on a sugar rush. Trends change faster than you can say fast fashion, and keeping up is like trying to catch a greased piglet. But then Shein strutted in, threw glitter in the air and said, "Hold my algorithm," their secret sauce? A potent cocktail of trendy designs, dirt-cheap prices, and a social media strategy that's straight up addictive. They've cracked the code of Gen Z and millennial shoppers who crave instant gratification and Instagram-worthy outfits. This isn't just about selling clothes, it's about selling a lifestyle. One where you can refresh your wardrobe every week without breaking the bank. And Wall Street, ever the opportunist, took notice. The stock market debut sent ripples through the industry. Established brands are sweating, wondering how they'll keep up. It's like watching a chihuahua try to race a greyhound. But for investors, it's a feeding frenzy. Everyone wants a piece of the Shein pie, hoping some of that digital magic rubs off on them. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about Shein's business model? Isn't fast fashion old news? Well, yes and no. It's like saying a microwave meal is the same as a 5-course dinner. Sure, they both fill you up, but the experience is vastly different. Shein has taken the concept of fast fashion and injected it with digital steroids. They've created a real-time fashion ecosystem where trends are identified, designs are whipped up, and clothes are shipped out faster than you can say supply chain. Think of it like this. Imagine a lemonade stand, but instead of just one flavor, you have hundreds, changing every day based on what people are craving. That's Shein. They use data like it's oxygen. They track what's trending on social media, analyze customer data, and then boom. They churn out new designs at lightning speed. It's a constant cycle of testing, learning, and adapting, leaving traditional retailers eating their dust. Remember that lemonade stand analogy? Now imagine it's not just one stand, but thousands, spread across the globe. That's the scale Shein is working with. They've cracked the code of global reach, selling their wares to customers in over 220 countries and territories. How do they do it? By harnessing the power of the internet, of course. Their website and app are available in multiple languages, making it easy for anyone, anywhere to get their fast fashion fix. Plus, their savvy social media strategy with influencers and targeted ads ensures that no corner of the internet is safe from the allure of a $5 crop top. But it's not just about online presence. They've also mastered the art of logistics. Their supply chain is a well-oiled machine, efficiently moving products from factories to customers' doorsteps. It's like watching a synchronized swimming team, except instead of swimmers, it's packages of trendy clothes. This global domination has analysts buzzing. They're calling it a paradigm shift in retail, a wake-up call for traditional brands stuck in their brick-and-mortar ways. So, what does Shein's success mean for the future of shopping? Well, picture a world where your online shopping experience is like a personalized fashion show, curated just for you. That's the future Shein is building. They're betting big on data, using it to personalize every aspect of the shopping journey. Imagine logging on and seeing recommendations based on your style, your budget, and even the weather in your city. It's like having a personal stylist in your pocket, except this stylist doesn't judge your questionable fashion choices from high school. This data-driven approach is already shaking things up. Traditional retailers are scrambling to catch up, investing in their own data analytics and trying to personalize their offerings. But Shein isn't stopping there. They're experimenting with augmented reality, allowing customers to virtually try on clothes from the comfort of their own homes. Imagine trying on 100 different outfits without having to leave your couch. It's the dream, right? Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should we say the algorithm in the code. Shein's success isn't just about cheap clothes, it's about data. They've built an empire on understanding what you want before you even know you want it. Imagine a team of fashion psychics. Except instead of crystal balls, they have algorithms. They analyze everything you click on, every purchase you make, and every minute you spend browsing. They know your style better than your best friend, and they use that knowledge to create a shopping experience tailored just for you. It's like Shein is reading your mind, predicting your every fashion whim. If it means getting that perfect pair of jeans delivered to your doorstep, maybe a little bit of data mining is a small price to pay. Let's address the elephant in the room wearing a $5 polyester dress: sustainability. Fast fashion, by its very nature, is often at odds with ethical and environmental responsibility. Shein is no exception. The sheer volume of clothing they produce raises concerns about waste, pollution, and the treatment of garment workers. It's like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. You might extinguish the flames temporarily, but you're only creating a bigger problem in the long run. To their credit, Shein has acknowledged these concerns and pledged to implement more sustainable practices. They've introduced recycled materials, partnered with ethical suppliers, and launched initiatives to reduce their environmental footprint. However, critics argue that these efforts are merely a drop in the ocean compared to the magnitude of the problem. They argue that true sustainability requires a fundamental shift in the fast fashion business model, one that prioritizes quality over quantity and values ethical production over profit margins. Shein's success hasn't gone unnoticed. The fashion world is a jungle and everyone's trying to get a piece of the action. Established retailers are scrambling to adapt, while new online players are popping up faster than trends on TikTok. Think of it like this. Imagine a peaceful picnic suddenly invaded by a swarm of hungry ants. Everyone's scrambling for the crumbs, trying to secure their share of the feast. That's the current state of the fashion industry. Established brands are facing a tough choice: adapt or die. They're investing in e-commerce, experimenting with new technologies, and trying to appeal to younger, digitally savvy customers. It's like watching your grandpa try to learn how to use Instagram. It's both endearing and slightly terrifying. Meanwhile, new online players are emerging, hoping to replicate Shein's success. They're offering trendy clothes at even lower prices, further fueling the fast fashion frenzy. It's a race to the bottom, and it remains to be seen who will come out on top. Okay, so Shein is making waves, but what does that mean for your wallet? Should you be rushing to buy their stock like it's a limited edition sneaker drop? Well, hold your horses. Investing in fast fashion is like riding a roller coaster blindfolded. Shein's growth has been phenomenal. They've tapped into a massive market and their data-driven approach seems to be working, but fast fashion is a fickle beast. Trends change quickly, and what's hot today could be yesterday's news tomorrow. Plus, there are ethical and environmental concerns. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Shein is personal. There's no right or wrong answer, only calculated risks and potential rewards. Just remember to do your research and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Love it or hate it, there's no denying that Shein is a force to be reckoned with. They've upended the fashion industry, forcing everyone to rethink their strategies and adapt to the new digital landscape. It's like watching a meteor crash into a dinosaur convention. Sure, it's destructive, but it also paves the way for something new and potentially better. So is this the dawn of a new era in fashion? A world where trends are fleeting, prices are rock bottom, and clothes are delivered to your doorstep faster than you can say add to cart? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, Shein's influence extends far beyond the realm of fast fashion. They've shown the power of data, the importance of agility, and the need to constantly innovate in today's rapidly changing market. Whether they can maintain this momentum, address the ethical concerns, and solidify their place as a fashion powerhouse remains to be seen. One thing's for sure, the fashion industry will never be the same again. So, there you have it, folks. Shein, the online fast fashion giant, has officially stormed the stock market, leaving a trail of glitter and bewildered investors in its wake. They've cracked the code of Gen Z and millennial shoppers, built a global empire on a foundation of data and algorithms, and forced the entire fashion industry to rethink its approach. But what's next for this digital fashion behemoth? Will they continue their meteoric rise, or will they crash and burn like so many fast fashion trends before them? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, The fashion landscape is changing faster than ever, and Shein is at the forefront of this revolution. Whether they can maintain their momentum, address the ethical concerns, and navigate the ever-evolving world of fashion remains to be seen. So buckle up, grab your credit card, and get ready for a wild ride. The future of fashion is here, and it's coming at you faster than a Shein flash sale.